referee has watched many football games in my life, but none can compare to that all-English second-leg Champions League quarter-final tie between Tottenham Hotspurs and Manchester City today. It had every dynamic, twists, turns, intrigue, drama, controversy. The referees used the VAR system to determine at least 2 big calls in the game. Both went against Manchester City. Of course, City fans will be shouting for justice, especially about the Llorente handball, no call. But again, people must understand that the ball hitting the hand is not necessarily handball until that rule is finally changed. And I think the referee made the right decision. By the way, Manchester City won the game 4-3, but lost on the away goal rule after the final score was 4-4 on aggregate. And just like that, Manchester City and Pep Guardiola are out of the Champions League. Eliminated again at the quarterfinal round by an English team. But tell you though, I have never seen a football game like this. Not with so much ebbs and flows and complete drama. That is why we love this game. But at the end of the day, Pep Guardiola is yet to win the Champions League title without Lionel Messi and the golden generation at Barcelona. So maybe Pep Guardiola is overrated as a coach. For true. You're overrated. He is overrated for true.